Welcome aboard, everyone, to another exciting review here on Sir Boats Yacht. I'm your host, and today we're diving into the world of the Mekong Eyes houseboat, a stunning vessel that's turning heads on the Mekong Delta. Whether you're a seasoned boater or just dreaming of a unique river adventure, this review is for you. Known for its luxurious take on traditional river cruising, the Mekong Eyes promises an unforgettable experience blending culture, comfort, and exploration. So, let's set sail and explore what makes this houseboat a standout choice, from its key features to its unique charm. Stick with me as we break it all down. Let's start with the key features that define the Mekong Eyes. This houseboat is designed as a boutique river cruiser, originally converted from a traditional rice barge, which gives it a rustic yet refined appeal. It boasts a fleet that includes options like the Mekong Eyes Classic and the Getaway Eyes, with the latter tailored for private tours for couples or small families. The vessel accommodates between 2 to 14 cabins depending on the model, offering flexibility for different group sizes. One standout feature is its shallow draft, allowing it to glide effortlessly through the narrow tributaries and canals of the Mekong Delta, from Kai Bi near Saigon to the Cambodian border at Chau Dock. Safety is a priority too, with modern equipment like heat and smoke detectors, a firefighting system, and regular emergency training for the crew. Plus, it's equipped with an electrical generator for 220 volts power and a battery pack for quiet nights, ensuring you're comfortable without disturbing the peaceful surroundings. For eco-conscious travelers, the boat includes an onboard wastewater treatment system and solar hot water boilers, reducing its environmental footprint. These features make it a practical yet luxurious option for exploring one of Asia's most iconic rivers. Moving on to the design, the Mekong Eyes is a visual treat that pays homage to the traditional Njang fishing boats of Vietnam. Its exterior showcases a warm brown wooden hull, exuding a natural, handcrafted vibe that blends seamlessly with the Delta's landscapes. The structure is elongated and elegant, with a spacious upper deck featuring railings and a covered seating area perfect for soaking in the scenery. Large glass windows wrap around the sides, offering panoramic views and flooding the interior with natural light. The boat's registration, like Court 090515HK, seen on similar vessels, adds a touch of authenticity, marking it as a local icon. The design isn't just about looks. Its shallow draft and sturdy build allow it to navigate shallow waters where bigger boats can't go. The upper deck also includes a sun deck, ideal for relaxing under the partly cloudy skies typical of the region, while the overall layout ensures easy movement for passengers. This combination of traditional aesthetics and functional design makes the Mekong Eyes a floating masterpiece that feels both timeless and innovative. Now, let's step inside and explore the interior features. The Mekong Eyes transforms the humble rice barge into a cozy, luxurious haven. The cabins, whether the 12 on the main deck or the 4 with private balconies on the upper deck, are designed for comfort. Expect warm wooden walls and flooring that echo the exterior, creating a cohesive and inviting atmosphere. Each cabin comes with large windows or balconies, letting you wake up to views of lush greenery and the gentle Mekong flow. The bedding is plush, and storage space is ample for a multi-day cruise, with thoughtful touches like cushioned benches and small tables for personal use. The communal areas shine with a dining space that serves fresh, local cuisine, often prepared with ingredients sourced along the route. The lighting is soft yet functional, with natural light enhancing the airy feel during the day and ambient lamps creating a warm glow at night. For those needing modern conveniences, there's Wi-Fi availability and modern bathrooms with showers, though space is compact to maximize the boat's efficiency. This interior strikes a balance between rustic charm and contemporary comfort, making it a home away from home on the water. When it comes to performance aspects, the Mekong Eyes isn't about speed but about steady, reliable cruising. As a houseboat, its primary focus is comfort and accessibility rather than racing across the river. Powered by a robust engine setup suited for its size, it moves at a leisurely pace, perfect for enjoying the Delta's sights, floating markets, orchards, and villages pass by at a relaxed tempo. The shallow draft, typically around 1.3 meters, is a game changer, enabling it to explore areas inaccessible to deeper drafted vessels like luxury yachts. Maneuverability is enhanced by experienced captains who navigate the river's obstacles, such as low water levels and mini rapids, with skill honed by regular training. Fuel efficiency is a plus, though exact figures depend on the itinerary and conditions, with the boat designed for self-sufficiency over several days. The performance shines in its ability to dock at remote locations, offering passengers unique shore excursions without the need for frequent refueling. It's not a high-performance craft, but its steady reliability and adaptability to the Mekong's challenges make it a performer in its own right. Finally, let's talk about the unique selling points that set the Mekong Eyes apart from the competition. One of its biggest draws is the private tour option, especially with the Mekong Eyes model, which caters to just 2 people. This exclusivity lets couples or small families craft a personalized adventure, exploring hidden canals and visiting floating markets at their own pace, something larger cruise ships can't offer. The cultural immersion is another highlight, with itineraries that include land excursions to local handicraft workshops, brick kilns, and peaceful villages, giving you a deep connection to Mekong life. The eco-friendly features, like wastewater treatment and solar heating, appeal to environmentally aware travelers, positioning it as a sustainable choice in a market often dominated by less green options. The vessel's ability to operate self-sufficiently for days also means longer, uninterrupted journeys, from Saigon to Phnom Penh or down to Phu Quoc, without the hassle of frequent stops. Pricing starts competitively, with options like $230 per person for a short trip, making luxury accessible compared to high-end river cruises. These points combine to make the Mekong Eyes a unique blend of intimacy, culture, and sustainability that's hard to beat. To wrap up, the Mekong Eyes houseboat from Sir Boats Yacht is a fantastic choice for anyone looking to experience the Mekong Delta in style and comfort. Its key features, like safety equipment and eco-friendly systems, ensure a worry-free trip, while the traditional yet functional design captures the heart of Vietnamese river life. The interior offers a cozy retreat with modern touches, and its performance excels in navigating the Delta's tricky waters with ease. What really seals the deal are the unique selling points, private tours, cultural depth, and sustainability, that cater to a wide range of travelers. Whether you're planning a romantic getaway or a family adventure, this houseboat delivers an experience that's both authentic and luxurious. If you're intrigued, check out their website for booking details or drop us a comment below with your thoughts. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more reviews from Sir Boats Yacht. Until next time, fair winds and happy cruising.